morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and how are you today? That's good. I'm glad you're home and safe. And I have a question. What do you think is the weather today? Yeah? Okay. Let's go out and find out what's the weather today. Let's go.
Oh, look at that. There's a mother puddle. People are using umbrella. Oh, the sky is dark. Oh, there's water. Oh no! Look at that. So, the weather today is. But before that, can you sing the weather song? Yeah. Let's sing it!
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather today? Yes, it's rainy! Good job, guys! Look at that! And it feels cozy and cold. I wanna go to my bed and put my blanket on.